When you click into a post from the Explore page or within a project, you'll land on the Content Details view. This is where you'll find everything Clariti knows about a post in one place. Clariti pulls in information like published and last date modified, and author if it's available. You can add labels here and see what WordPress categories this post belongs to. You'll see a list of projects that this post is assigned to, any active tasks, and a number of SEO issues that Clariti will automatically flag, like missing alt text or broken links. Use the Quick Actions menu to add a note to this post. You can add an event, like promoting it on social media or changing featured image. This will be added to the timeline as an annotation and on the performance graph on the next tab. You can add a one-off tasks not associated with a project, or you can assign this content to a project. Premium members can send themselves and team members email reminders. Sync content. This is helpful if changes you've made are just not showing up in Clariti yet. This will force a manual sync. Retest links. This will force Clariti to run a fresh check on your links. Results may take up to 24 hours to complete. On the next tab, you'll see a visual graph of performance data. You can toggle between page views, sessions, and users, and choose the date range that you want to view. The graph helps you see patterns in traffic over time. Completed tasks or events will appear as annotations, making it easier to correlate your actions with traffic trends. You'll see device types, traffic sources, and keywords for the selected time frame. Below is a list of all the keywords this post is currently ranking for. A focus keyword is a word or phrase you're trying to get the page to rank for in the Google results. You can also set a custom keyword. When you select a focus keyword, Clariti will begin tracking its search position over time. In the Content tab, you will see all your images and links. Hover over images to preview and view associated alt text. Clariti flags issues like broken links. They'll be highlighted in red, and missing alt text. Click any flag linked to verify whether it's actually broken. Clariti also provides HTTP status codes to help you understand what's going on behind the scenes. Use the Ignore option if a valid link is mistakenly flagged. This can often happen with large companies like Amazon. Their tight security blocks this from crawling their site. Clariti's Content Details helps you connect the dots between updates and outcomes and gives you the clarity to make smarter, faster content decisions.